Good morning, friends. We're getting ready to strain one of my tinctures. It is an antibiotic for bronchitis, flu relief, and it's also kid friendly because we're going to use a food grade glycerin in this. So this has been actually steeping all those nice medical properties of the herbs getting into that glycerin. So we're going to go ahead and strain it. And it's been sitting for 6 weeks and shaken regularly. Some of the properties you're going to notice that we're going to use in here, some of those herbs. I've just turned this upside down. The glycerin's very thick. And when I have shaken this, I found the best way on a glycerin is to kind of roll it when you shake it, and it actually moves it around. So we're going to go ahead and strain this. I have gloves on today because glycerin is very sticky. It's sweeter than, like, let's say, an alcohol-based. I've got my bowl with a strainer, and I have some cheesecloth on here. Let's see if we can get you a view of that without it getting out. And there it went. But luckily it didn't go anywhere. So we're going to go ahead and pour this in. So the herbs that we have in here, I'll put this in the sink. The herbs we have in here are oregano, which is antiviral, antibacterial. Get this all wrapped up here. Antiviral, antibacterial. I'm going to have to strain this twice. It treats internal infections or externally. It boosts the immune system. It speeds up recovery, helps with bronchial infections, asthma, and cough at the first sign of an illness. And we're going to have to let this sit here for a minute, straining out of here. Has thyme in here, which helps with a stuffy nose, helps with a sore throat. It's a cooling herb. It helps with coughs, bronchitis. It boosts your immune system. It encourages the white blood cell count formation and increases the body's resistance to bacteria and viruses. We have Astragulus in here, which is an immune booster. It helps prevent colds and fights them, and it helps with upper respiratory infections. We also have Echinacea, which encourages the immune system to operate more efficiently. It raises the body's resistance to bacterial and viral infections. It's pain relieving, reduces the impact of cold and flu. It's a quick healer, helps with asthma. But caution to those with an autoimmune disease. You want to consult your doctor before you handle and take, but before you would take Echinacea. The last herb in here is Usnea, which is also known as old man's beard. It grows on trees. It's a powerful antibiotic. It's antifungal, antiviral, antimicrobial, so it's handling those fungal, viral, bacterial infections. Usnea also helps with strep, staph, MRSA, tuberculosis. It helps bronchitis, pneumonia, sinus infections, as I'd mentioned, strep throat, colds, and flu, and other respiratory complaints. I also put lemon powder in this. I had taken some lemons that I had dehydrated, blended them up to a powder, and I added some of that lemon powder to this. Try to give it a little bit of a flavor because herbs don't really taste that good. So I'm all sticky. what I'm going to do is I am going to strain this again. Glycerin can be hard to strain. So what I've done, I was going to restrain that as I had mentioned. And I put it in a jar. Let me move my fingers here. A jar. I have my cheesecloth and I just put the band on the jar. And I'm slowly pouring that in there. And definitely have something here where your lip of your pour is, where you have all your goodies, because it'll drip off of there. And I'm just playing with it in here. Try to get it dripping in there. It's a slow process because that glycerin is so thick. I'm just going to repeat this process until it's all done. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to provide the herbal insights that I have. I'm not here to sell you anything. I don't sell anything. I just do this for friends and family, and you're my friend. So let a friend help you out. Please subscribe. Have a good one.